From Newton Study, I am Mr. P.N. Singh. My qualification is MSc in Mathematics from H.T. Jain College, Ara. I am going to teach physics of class 9th. Today topic is compare the gravitational forces. Compare the gravitational forces exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth. Compare the gravitational forces exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth. Which exerts greater force and by how many times? Which exerts greater force and by how many times? It means that अर्थ पर सन और मून दोनों जो है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो है अप्लाई करते हैं। दोनों ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अर्थ पर जो है अप्लाई किया जाता है। तो किसके द्वारा, सन के द्वारा या मून के द्वारा ग्रेटर फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाता है और कितना टाइम्स जो है सन के द्वारा मून के कंपेयर में अधिक जो है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाता है। आई एम गोइंग टू वेरीफाई दिस बाय द अलजेब्रिक मेथड। मैं इसे अलजेब्रिक मेथड के द्वारा वेरीफाई करने जा रहा हूं। लेट मास ऑफ द सन, let mass of the sun let mass of the sun is equal to ms, कैपिटल M और ये नीचे में कैपिटल M के नीचे छोटा s जो मास ऑफ सन को डिनोट करता है। मास ऑफ द अर्थ me, mass of the moon is equal to m, छोटा m, distance of the earth from the sun, distance of the earth from the sun, RAC, RAC denotes the distance of the earth from the sun. Distance of the earth from the moon, distance of the earth from the moon is equal to RME. मून से अर्थ का डिस्टेंस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ARME. We know that the gravitational force is equal to gravitational constant, mass of one body, mass of second body, y square of distance between them. Hence, gravitational force between sun to earth is equal to gravitational constant, mass of the sun, mass of the earth by square of distance between sun and the earth, which is denoted by RSE का whole square. Gravitational force applied between moon and earth is equal to gravitational constant multiply mass of the moon multiply mass of the earth by square of distance between moon and earth, which is denoted by RME. का होल स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट divided by equation second, we get gravitational force between sun and earth. Gravitational force between sun and earth by gravitational force between moon and earth. Gravitational force between sun and earth is equal to gravitational constant mass of the sun into mass of the earth by square of distance between them RSE का whole square into when divide is change into multiply, the fraction is reversed. Hence, R me whole square by gravitational constant by mass of the moon into mass of the earth. Gravitational constant cancel. Mass of the earth cancel. So next step we get mass of the sun into RME whole square, the distance between moon and earth, by RSE whole square, which is distance between sun and earth, multiply mass of the moon. Mass of the sun is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. The distance between moon and earth is equal to 3.84 multiply 10 to the power 8 का whole square. The distance between sun to the earth 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 whole square into 7.3 into 10 to the power 20. This is the mass of the moon. 2 into 10 to the power 30, 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 का whole square. It means that we write 2 times 3.84 into 3.84 10 to the power 8 का whole square. It means that 10 to the power 16. 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 का whole square. It means that 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22. Multiply 7.3 into 10 to the power 23. 2 into 3.84 into 3.84 into, if we add 10 to the power 30 or 10 to the power 16, we can write 10 to the power 45 into 10. It means that 10 to the power 46. 1.5 into 1.5 into 7.3 into 10 to the power 45. 10 to the power 45, 10 to the power 45 cancel. Now we calculate, we find 179.6 is equal to approximate 80. Thus, the sun exerts 180 times greater force on the earth than the moon। इस प्रकार से हम रिजल्ट प्राप्त करते हैं, रिजल्ट गेट करते हैं कि जो सन के द्वारा अर्थ पर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाता है मून के रिस्पेक्ट में 180 टाइम्स ग्रेटर है। Thus, the sun exerts 180 times greater force on the earth from the moon than the moon। माने मून के रिस्पेक्ट में, मून के कंपेयर में सन के द्वारा जो अर्थ पर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाता है उसके रिस्पेक्ट में सन के द्वारा जो ग्रेटर फोर्स अप्लाई किया जाता है वह 180 टाइम्स जो है ग्रेटर है। नाउ आई स्टॉप माय टीचिंग। I will see you in next video with new topic. At last, I say you must subscribe and like Newton Study. If you want to gain knowledge and want to complete your syllabus, I assure you that you must subscribe and like Newton Study. Thank you.